Hello my dear students. In my last video I have talked about the next video, which is our next video, and what will be the topic for our next video. So the topic for our next video will be real analysis, and real analysis में हम basic theory for JAM cover करेंगे, and इसके अलावा it is also essential for NAT also and GATE also. So what will be the basic theory, basic rules for the real analysis for JAM? So I will be starting with the basic things, which are as follows, which is upper bound, definition of upper bound, lower bound, suprema and infima, completeness property, density theorem, Archimedean property. So these is my basic things of real analysis. For JAM this is essential. So let's discuss upper bounds. So upper bounds में हम discuss करेंगे the definition of upper bounds and what are its properties. So what do you mean by an upper bound for the SAT? There is a SAT. You know what is SAT? SAT is a well-defined collection of objects, right? So upper bounds. What do you mean by an upper bound? Upper bound is a number. It is a real number, right? Upper bound is, let's say U belongs to real line. You can denote it as a, say, is an upper bound of UBC denoted of SAT S, which is subset of R, and S is not equal to phi, right? So इसका upper bound क्या होगा, right? What is the upper bound of this SAT? इस SAT का upper bound क्या होगा कि हर एक, if you take, if X belongs to S, any X belong to S, then every X, for all X less than equal to U, satisfied. I am writing in short, you can write in theoretical way. Then U will be an upper bound for the SAT S, right? So अगर हर एक member X का SAT S का X U से छोटा है, then you will say U is an upper bound. And you say that there are infinitely many upper bounds. आप upper bounds U plus 1 ले लीजिए, U plus 1 से भी छोटे हैं. X हमेशा U plus 1 से भी छोटा है, and U plus 2 also. So there are infinitely many upper bounds. You can talk of lower bounds in similar way. Which are lower bounds? तो lower bounds में क्या होता है कि आपके पास कोई भी set है, like this. This is like the same definition, but what I will change in it, you can change it here. You can change it here. What is, I will write lower bound. It is a lower bound. U is a lower bound. If हर एक member X का बड़ा हो जाए U से, then U is lower bound. Okay, so U is lower bound. I am changing in this definition. You can change accordingly. Then U minus 1 is also, because U से छोटा है, U minus 1, तो U minus 1 से भी सारे elements क्या हो रहे हैं, बड़े हो रहे हैं. So U minus 1 is also lower bound, and whatever the numbers are less than U minus 1 and so on is lower bound. So X का lower bound क्या होगा? X सारे U minus 1 से बड़ा है, तो X का lower bound क्या होगा? U minus 1. Means SAT का lower bound होता है, elements का नहीं होता. तो elements SAT में है, तो SAT का lower bound है, right? कि U minus 1 and so on. तो कितने lower bounds हुए? Lower bounds कितने? How many are lower bounds? Lower bounds are infinite, right? Infinite के अलावा कुछ नहीं है. अब आपके मन में एक क्वेश्चन आ रहा होगा, you have considered the SAT is not equal to 5. The SAT is not empty, but what is when the SAT is empty? When SAT is empty, you just say empty SAT. You just said what will be the upper bound of this SAT? Upper bound of this SAT is infinity minus infinity. No. What will be the upper bound of this SAT? You can tell me, right? So SAT is empty. Any number take U belongs to R is upper bound, right? So any number u belongs to R is upper bound because आप कोई भी एलिमेंट ही नहीं ले पा रहे हैं सेट में से, तो अपर बाउंड क्या होगा? कोई भी रियल लाइन. सो अपर बाउंड्स all real line is upper bound. And all real line is also lower bound because आप कोई भी मेंबर ही पिकअप नहीं कर पा रहे हैं जिससे सारे मेंबर छोटे हों या बड़े हों. सो सारी मेंबर ऑटोमेटिकली अपर बाउंड्स एंड लोअर बाउंड्स हो गए. सो सारी रियल लाइन अपर बाउंड है, सारे रियल लाइन ही लोअर बाउंड्स हैं, राइट? ऑल रियल लाइन इज लोअर बाउंड. Next, so next topic, this is clear I think, upper bounds and lower bounds. So next topic we will be discussing about supremum of set. So what will be the supremum of the set? Supremum of the set क्या होता है कि आप सभी लोअर जो आपने अपर बाउंड्स निकाले हैं किसी सेट के S के, आप उनके क्या कर सकते हैं? What can we do is U is supremum, so you can denote supremum as sup S. Use supremum as S is not equal to 5 and S is subset of R, right? Use supremum S if you can choose if the set of all upper bounds of S. S के upper bounds का set क्या है? U and whatever number is greater than U and so on. So least upper bound of set S is supreme. Least upper bound को हम क्या कह देते हैं? सुप्रीमम कह देते हैं and that's it. उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं. Infimum क्या हो जाता है? Infimum is greatest lower bound. आप lower bounds में से सब में से बड़ा ले लीजिए. It is the greatest lower bound. It is the greatest lower bound of set. तो आप बताइए एम्प्टी सेट के सुप्रीमम और इन्फीमम क्या हुए? सुप्रीमम इज रियल लाइन का इन्फीमम. रियल लाइन में सबसे छोटा नंबर कौन सा है? When you approach real line, we say the terminology is sup phi is minus infinity because least of upper bounds is whole real line and this is only a denote. We denote it as a symbol only because real line we can assume thus infimum is minus least upper bounds में से सबसे छोटा क्या होगा? minus infinity. रियल लाइन में सबसे छोटा नंबर क्या assume कर सकते हैं? minus infinity and you can denote it as a symbol. infimum phi greatest lower bound पूरी रियल लाइन में greatest lower bound क्या है? plus infinity. That's it. So this is basic idea behind supremum and infimum. I will be giving you next video what are the properties of these, right? So this is the basic idea. Okay, so I think you have done it, you have gone through this, right? It is a basic idea, so I will be giving all these things. If you have any doubts in this theory in this first lecture, then you can comment on the comment box. I will be sharing the properties of supremum, infimum, lower bound, upper bounds in my next video and upcoming topics in further videos. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed it. बिकॉज ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. बेसिक रूल्स हैं, ये आपको करने ही होंगे एंड ये एग्जाम के लिए नहीं, नेट के लिए भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, नेट के लिए भी करने होंगे, राइट? सो ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर दिस. थैंक यू.